all-new 2026 model Mercedes-Benz CLA. I mean, if you just think about everything they've done to this car, it's just calling this a CLA is crazy. I don't like this trend. I wish we would discontinue this trend. Just give us regular tail lights and regular headlights. Stop connecting all these lights. All in all, what do you guys think? All electric version here, combustion version sitting all the way in the back. Which one would you choose? Hello guys, I am back today welcoming you all with this. Right in front of us we have the all-new 2026 model Mercedes-Benz CLA, and in today's video I just wanted to show you the combustion engine version that we have here. So Mercedes-Benz has showed us the all-electric CLA, but as an option also gives us the mild hybrid version, which comes with an engine by the end of this year. So on the right hand side we have the full electric version sitting right over here, available both as a 250 and as a 350. On this side, however, we have the combustion engine CLA, which is coming by the end of this year. These will be coming with a 1.5 liter four-cylinder. The four-cylinder, I need to be honest, is not even from Mercedes. I think it's from Geely and is just tuned by Mercedes if I'm not mistaken. However, the all-electric version here, all the technology is coming from Mercedes-Benz, is quite special and looks also a bit more different when you compare it with the mild hybrid version that we have sitting right over here. For example, if you look at the front grille, since we need a bit more air for cooling, we have a different setup here. As you can see, we have these Mercedes-Benz star. The pattern is quite special. It's comparable to what we've seen on the electric version, but it's not illuminated and it's not fully covered, hence we need some air for cooling purposes. Also here the Mercedes-Benz star in the front with the front camera. We've got quite a lot of stars in the front here. Also right over here Mercedes-Benz crest here as traditional, and also the headlight with the Mercedes-Benz star and the finishing. This model here being the progressive line is also an option. You can also go with the AMG line. Right in front of us we actually have the electric version as an AMG line here. Just as the way they look, it's actually comparable. For example, here the front bumper is the AMG line specific front bumper, and the wheels as well. We have no night package on this one as well. As you can see, windows aren't tinted, all the chrome finishing all around, progressive line. The car, however, sits lower than the electric one. This is quite special. You see, the electric one is sitting higher since we have a battery sitting underneath. We need more ground clearance, so they moved the car a bit more up. They have made a few interior modifications so you can have the same space as in the combustion engine version that we have standing right in front of us. This here, however, we are not allowed to film or tell you more about it right now since it's not out yet. I mean, the cars, the non-electric ones, the mild hybrid ones will be presented by the end of the year, will be open for sale, and then it's really cool to have both options to choose from, full electric or the combustion engine mild hybrid version. It's not even a plug-in hybrid, it's a mild hybrid with the 48 volt starter generator which supports the engine. It's quite cool to have that. Yeah, let me just show you around the non-electric version here. So I just showed you the front, progressive line, AMG line is an option. The way the car looks, it's at the end of the day, it's a matter of taste. So some of you guys, they really like the way Mercedes-Benz has designed the front, the headlights and the grille. Some of you didn't, since there's maybe way too many stars. For me personally, I think there is way too many stars. I wish we had less. But I think it looks quite cool. Let me just show you the side. It's way longer than the previous generation CLA. I mean, if you just think about everything they've done to this car, it's just calling this a CLA is crazy. Frameless windows here, the B-pillar, we have the interior. It's actually comparable. Sorry, I'm not allowed to open up the car yet, but it's actually comparable to what we've seen with the full electric version. Pillar-to-pillar display. We have a white interior finish also on the steering wheel, which is quite special. And then we have the wooden trim, the bright wooden trim down there on the center console. We have quite a lot of space. And then when you look at the back, all you have is down there. It's a tunnel. So this tunnel, you don't have that with the electric version. So this is something I have to mention. We have the seamless door handles, which are an option. The progressive line specific wheels. And this is how the car looks from the back. So this is the design of the rear. This is the progressive line, non-AMG line. So it looks quite classic the way they did it. It's actually with the AMG line you have a different setup within the rear diffuser. So the back's actually finished in a different way, more sportier. This one kind of looks like there's exhaust tips underneath. You can actually find the real exhaust tips. There you go, I think. I can't actually see it. I'm just holding. Here we have one. There you go. The lights actually the exact same ones as we have on the electric one, which honestly I really don't get it. Why would you always connect the front and tail lights? I mean, I don't like this trend. I wish we would discontinue this trend. Just give us regular tail lights and regular headlights. Stop connecting all these lights. And yeah, we have Patagonia red on this here. The exterior paint looks quite nice, and the blue finish on this one here looks also quite special, this being the AMG line. We have no night package. Yeah, it's a matter of taste. I mean, looks quite cool. Just if you compare it with the front, the bumper, the finish, the electric specific front finish with the panel. All these stars are illuminated. The connected headlights here, something I really don't get. I don't like that. I wish we had regular headlights here. We have the Mercedes-Benz star in the headlights, the multi-beam LEDs here. Yeah, they looks quite cool. What do you guys think? As I mentioned, the electric version sitting a bit higher. I wish it was lower. Here you have a more clear view on the tail lights and the design in general. And this being the AMG line, you also have the different rear setting of the diffuser. You can see that here. The tail light finish, we also have another star right over here. Round finish, just cut off, and all these LED pins connected. It's also cool, gives you a nice animation. And on the right hand side here, since we have a full electric one, we have an AC and DC charging. There you go. And then you can just close it by doing this. All in all, what do you guys think? All electric version here, combustion version sitting all the way in the back. Which one would you choose?